Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the volume of a cone. Now you can see that I have the net up here again for the cone. Okay, the circular base and the lateral face that's sort of triangular. Okay, but what we're going to work with the volume is the height, and this is the actual height of the three-dimensional object, the actual height of the cone. Not to be confused with the slant height, which we used for the surface area. Okay, so we're going to do the height, which is going to be a line perpendicular to the base. It will be dropped straight down from the tip of the pyramid all the way to the middle of the circular base, and looks like it's kind of hanging out in the middle of nothing. You can see that the height is not actually touching a line right there. It just kind of placed in the center of that circular base. For a formula, okay, we're basically going to use the formula for a cylinder and just take a third of that, okay, because again, a cone is a third of a cylinder. So we're going to do pi r squared, okay, so find the area of that circular base, multiply that by the height of the cone rather, and then take 1/3 of that, divide it by 3. For an example, if I have a height of 7 feet and a diameter in this case of 6 feet, okay, I only need the radius. So if the diameter rather is 6, then the radius is going to be 3. So 1/3 times pi r squared times the height, 1/3 3.14 times 3 squared times 7, 1/3 times 3.14 times 63, and remember that 3 squared is 9, and then 9 times 7 gives me 63. And then 1/3 of 197.82, which is 63 3.14 times. And then if we take 197.82, divide that by 3, we get 65.94 feet cubed. Remember that volume again is a three-dimensional measure, and that everything should be units cubed. Alright, and then for another example, we have a cone, this time with a height of 9 and a radius of 4. So again, we're going to use 1/3 pi times the radius squared times the height. Okay, so 1/3 3.14 times 4 squared times 9. 1/3 3.14 times 16 times 9. 1/3 3.14 times 144, which is 16 times 9. And then 1/3 452.16, which is 144 3.14 times. And if I take 1/3 of 452.16, I get 150.72 meters cubed. And that is it for conical volume. We will see you in class. Us!